Hi everyone, it's me Iman here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today me and my mum are going to be doing Ramadan preparation. I hope you enjoy the video. First we're going to start by making the chicken samosa. My mum's just put 3 green chilies. Now she's cutting up 4 onions. Now she's blended them. Now she's going to fry them and she's added a little bit of cooking oil. Now it's all golden and brown. She's added 1 kg of keema. Now mixing it all up. Now we're going to cook it until the water has dried. Now my mum is going to be adding 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Now my mum is going to be adding 1 tablespoon zero, 1 tablespoon dry coriander, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Now she's going to mix it. We've added 1 cup of peas, mixing it all up. These are frozen peas, by the way. The keema is all ready. Now I'm going to make the samosa pastry. I've added 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/3 cup of oil. Now my mum is going to mix it. She's washed her hands before she's mixing it. Now she's adding 1 cup of water, bit by bit, and she's going to knead it. The kneading is all done. Now she's going to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. It's been 10 to 15 minutes now. She's going to put them in round balls, and there's 9 of them. Now she's going to roll them out. Now she's adding a little bit of oil on top. And some flour on top. Now she's going to add another layer. She's going to add 4 layers on this. Now she's going to cook them on low flame. They're all done now. She's just going to put them on a plate. They're all done. Just put a damp cloth on top so it doesn't get dry. They're all done. Okay. Now she's going to half them. The keema has cooled down. Now we're going to add some green coriander. We've made this paste with plain flour and water, and the mixture has to be a little bit thick and a little bit runny. Now she's just filling up the samosa. Oh, that's how they become like the crispy, where they have the loads of layers. How do they make the loads of layers? Like that? Yeah, even though we've closed the samosa with the paste, we're just going to close it with a fork so that the keema doesn't fall out. After we've done them, we put them in a tray and we freeze them. Now we can put them in a freezer bag. Now they're all ready for Ramadan, inshallah. Let's make the kebab. We've got 4 onions, we've got some green chili, we've got some tomatoes, we've got some coriander, and we've got some cut up spring onions. First, my mum is going to start by cutting up the onions and the green chili. She's just going to add them in the bowl. Now she's blending the other bit. Now she's going to blend the tomatoes. Add that in there too. Now the coriander. Now she's going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. And 3 tablespoons of dry coriander. Now 2 tablespoons of zira. We added 1 tablespoon of arrodana, but we didn't film it. Now she's gonna add 1 garlic and 1 ginger. Now 2 cups of gram flour. Now she's gonna mix it. The mix it all done. Now she's gonna add 2 kg of keema. Now she's gonna add the spring onions. She's put some oil on a pan. Now she's gonna make the kebab. The first batch is all ready now. Mum's gonna put it on a pan. On a tray, I meant. Second batch is ready. Shake all that oil off. Now my mum is gonna put them in a freezer bag and we're gonna freeze them. After you freeze them, you can like air fry them, grill them, or you can put them in oil like we did. And now they're ready for Ramadan. We've already boiled the chicken and we added some zira when it was boiling. And some salt. Now we're just blending it. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil. Shredded chicken. Cabbage. This is like a cool effect, isn't it? My baby sister just added the carrots. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of soy sauce. I meant 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I'm just going to add that in. And I've got I added 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and I added a little bit of water, but it didn't get filmed. I don't know why. Now we're just going to mix it all up. Now I'm going to add some noodles. It's ready now. I'm going to let it cool down. Let's make the spring rolls. First, you're going to add the pastry in a diamond shape. Now you're going to add the spring roll mixture. Put it on the other side. Add as much as you can. Now you're going to roll it until all of the mixture is in the pastry, and you're going to roll it halfway. Then you're going to get the other side, and then you're going to fold it on the other side. Then you're going to roll it. We've made that mixture to like stick it together, where we use plain flour and water, and that's how you make a spring roll. Now my mum's gonna try and make a dumpling. Now I'm gonna try and attempt to make the spring roll. Now with the leftover spring roll mixture, my mum's just added some mozzarella cheese, and she's made a mozzarella cheese spring roll. Now I've labelled one cheese roll, one spring roll, and one keema roll, and we're just putting them in the freezer bag. They're all in their freezer bags. Now we're just gonna put them with the other freezer bags, and they're all ready for Ramadan, inshallah. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.